How to fix GitHub 404 error in TinyTask. So if you want to fix GitHub 404 error in your TinyTask, then what you need to do is first you need to check for official TinyTask updates or sources. You need to verify the official source. Ensure you're using a legitimate version of TinyTask and attempting to update from its official or recommended source. Unofficial versions might point to an outdated or non-existent problem. You need to search for the latest version. This might involve downloading a new installer rather than relying on an in-app update mechanism that points to a defunct GitHub page. The second solution is manual download and reinstallation. Download the latest version. If an in-app update fails, manually download the latest version of the TinyTask from a reliable source, for example, the developer's website or a reputable software download site. The next thing you can do is just uninstall and reinstall. You uninstall the correct version of TinyTask from your system, then install the newly downloaded version. This ensures you have the correct and up-to-date files. Or the next you can do is clear browser cache or cookies. If TinyTask somehow relies on browser components for updates, clearing your browser's cache and cookies might resolve issues. Go with the top right, which has that three dots, and then go with settings. Go with privacy and security, and then go with delete browsing data and clear all of the cache. Delete the browsing history. If you've enabled any VPN or proxy, if you're using any VPN or proxy, try temporarily disabling it to see if it interferes with TinyTask ability to connect to GitHub. Or the last thing you can do is ensure a stable internet connection. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.